we had two big seders at our house, and my father always had some friends there, or some people who may not have had a place to go, and they came. And this is very interesting. Everyone else did the Hebrew Haggadah. We did a Yiddish Haggadah, which was compliments of the Workman's Circle. And I went to a third Seder every year at the Waldorf Astoria, run by the Workman's Circle, and I appeared in it many times when I was in middle school, their high school, because we were the ones who did the Seder for the people who were there. And those were some of the very happy memories of my middle years, because, I could say I did 3 Seders and you only do 2. And it's funny now when I go to a Seder, one of the Seders I go to is to my husband's relative who is a rabbi, a conservative rabbi. And I sort of brought some of the Yiddishkeit to that. And now they ask the question, most of it is done in Hebrew, reading and everything. But they now ask the questions in about 5 or 6 languages, one of which is Yiddish. Steve, the rabbi, always has me, talk about what it was like going to a Seder that was done in Yiddish and everything. And so I feel that it's sort of like a cycle, that I'm still carrying on what I was taught as a child. But our Seder was definitely in Yiddish. Very little of it was done in Hebrew, if at all.